with about 0.4 acres of land. Now I forgot to tell you, this one is not my listing, and listing agent is very nice enough to let me show you around. This house has everything. It has 3-car garages. It has a gym and a theater at the bottom floor. It has of course, 6-bedroom, 5-bath. It has a pool in the middle. Well, the shooting pool. And it has 2 kitchen, top floor and middle floor. And what's the most important thing in Oakland Hill? The views, right? This one has very nice view in the back. And when I get to the other side, I'll show you. You'll love it.